Sometimes it's our family of origin or society or the culture we live in that force us to be different than we really are. And sometimes we abandon ourselves to fit in. So what can you do? Well, here's a 3-part meditation that you can do that will bring you back into your own rhythm and into your own truth. Let's do this together. Come sitting in easy pose with your hands in Ravi Mudra. That's your thumb and your index finger touching. The rest of the fingers just straight. And then rest the backs of the palms on your thighs. Let your shoulders be open, heart open for this one. And your eyes just gently close down. And you are going to whistle along to this mantra, to this music that you hear in the background. And if whistling is not your thing, then feel free to just kind of purse your lips and blow the air out as if you're whistling. This is going to activate your inner wisdom, your third eye. So here we go, eyes closed. Let's whistle along.
Para Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Para Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Parapara Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Parapara Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Parapara Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Parapara Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Parapara Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Parapara Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Parapara Pavan Guru Pavan Guru Vaheguru Vaheguru Pavan Guru Pavan 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 Parapara.
And inhale gently and deeply. Suspend the breath in for a moment. And exhale. Feeling that energy here at your frontal lobe, around your third eye. Activating your true personality. The person who you are, beneath it all, behind it all, before it all. And staying here in easy pose with your spine tall. Bend your elbows so your forearms are parallel to the ground. So forearms parallel to the ground. Your left palm facing down, your right palm facing up. And just keeping those eyes gently closed. Slowly and gently inhaling through the nose. Gently exhaling slowly through the mouth. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. And just breathing lightly without any strain, light and deep, breathing with ease. And just giving yourself these breaths like a gift to yourself to experience your inner presence. This is you balancing yourself, balancing your hemispheres, balancing your yin and your yang, balancing your eros and your logos, and also balancing your ability to receive and give. Feeling the energy in the palms of your hand. Feel as though you are balancing heaven and earth within you. And drawing the breath in for a deep inhale, suspend the breath. And empty the lungs as you exhale, and as you do, bring your hands on your heart center. Left hand on the heart, right hand on top. Now you're going to fill yourself with your vibration, your unique sound current, by chanting the mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo. The vibration of these sounds meaning I bow to my inner wisdom. I bow to the Guru inside of me, leading me from darkness to light. Make sure that your soul and your heart feel your unique vibration.
Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Gurudev Namo. Om Namo 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 Gurudev Namo.
And inhale your breath deeply, suspend the breath. And through the mouth, powerfully exhale. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath in, press your hands on your heart, squeeze your root lock, squeeze your arms into the ribs, and powerfully exhale. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath in, suspend the breath, palms pressed on the heart, ribs press the entire body, buttocks, and powerfully. Keep the hands on the heart for a moment. Breathe. Feel into yourself. Lowering the hands, stay in that inner space, stay there. Feel yourself balanced. Feel yourself complete. Feel yourself whole. And know that you belong just as you are.